Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Daily Pips Hunter, the boom and crash lord and the forest master. I'm going to be teaching you a profitable strategy, how to grow your account. I believe in growing small accounts to a large account. So I consider those people who start up with little capital, as low as $20 to $30. You can grow it up within a month to 100 to $300. I've done it. Since I've done it, you can do it. It's just you needing the right mentor and the right steps to follow. So today we are going to be dealing on boom and crash, combination of boom and crash, which will have the range break. The range break has been proven to be one of the profitable strategy for even new beginners of traders to grow their accounts, if you have somebody that is going to put you through very well. So that's what I'm going to do now for free. The only thing I want you to pay me back with is listening, follow my steps, and follow all the instructions I'm going to give. And please make sure to subscribe and share to your friends and know how to trade the market confidently without anyone getting to trade for you. You can do it. I started from not knowing how to trade, and now I'm kind of like, I will not say I'm a pro, but I'm trying. I'm doing more. Yes, I'm trying. When it comes to trading of the market, I'm trying. So as we all know, boom and crash combines together gives us range break. That's just the simple explanation of range break, and I try to figure out strategy that is going to work very well, and the one that is going to give us 80% win rate. So most of the strategies I'm still working on it, but the one that have proven to be working, that I scalp, like I scalp up to $5 from the market every day, $5 to $10 depending on the amount of your account. So the account I used to start it with was $100, so I managed to be scalping $5 out of the market. That is around 5% of my initial capital. That is a lot of money. $5 a day gives you around $5 a day in a week gives around $30. 6 days gives around $30. So in a month you should know that you're making around 12 on 6. So you're making about reasonable amount of money. I can't really do that now, because the market trades for 24 hours and 7 days in a week. So trades from Monday to Sunday to Monday to Sunday. So when you calculate it, you'll be making reasonable amount of money from it. So it doesn't require much strategy. You ignore most of these indicators here, as they are not useful. The only indicator useful here is our ADX. You only make use of your ADS. The ADS here is our ADS. That is the only indicator useful. These other ones, I'm using it to test a powerful strategy that will soon release, and this crossover, I'm using it to test a powerful strategy that will soon release. So the only indicator we need here is our ADS. The powerful indicator when trading this. It gives us the major direction of the market, and we only use our 200 moving average and our ADS. These are the two things we need to give us the direction of the trade. So let's dive in. Let me take some live sections of the market and show you how it works, and give you some little explanation of how it works. So this is how it works. I don't know why it's not connecting. I want to take live section of the market. Network is kind of like bad. Network is bad. To take live sections of the market, show you how it works. So this is the major rules. When the price is below your 200 moving average, just set the moving average to be 200. When the price is below the 200 moving average, then all the trade you should be taking should be a sell trade. When the price is below the moving 200 average, all the trade you should be taking should be a sell trade. Then when it's above the 200 moving average, all the trade you should be taking should be a buy trade. So if it's below the moving 200 average and you're taking a sell trade and it spikes up, you're sure of it spiking down back and closing back your losses. But when it's below the moving average and you're buying and it spikes down, you're at lose because it continues to spike down without you guaranteeing that it's going to spike up back because it's below the moving 200 average. So that's how you trade this market effectively, and you trade it majorly on the 15-minute time frame because it tries to give us the major range. If you can see here is the major range, here and here. It's consolidating between here and this place. Those are the major places. So let's say you sell here, it goes down, you make profit, you wait for it to go up, you sell, you wait for it to come down, you go up, you sell here, it goes down, you wait, it sells here, it goes down, you wait. So that's how we are going to be doing it. It's very simple. Even someone who have not traded before can do it. Okay, look at what I was telling you. It's below the 200 moving average at this region. It's below the 200 moving average at this region. Let's say you sell, it comes down, you wait for it, you take your profit, you wait for it to go up, you sell, you wait for it to come down, you wait, it goes up, you sell. Let's assume you bought here. The things okay, let's assume you bought here. The thing spikes up, you are in profit, you are happy, you bought again, waiting for it to come down, the thing did not go up, the thing spikes down, you're still thinking it's going to spike up, no, the thing still spikes down. You see, you are at major loss, you are at big loss. But if you sell at this region, let me show you. Sorry, I don't. This is how I teach for you to understand, so I take my time to explain the market very well. Let's assume you sell at this region here, waiting for it to come down so you take your profit, and the market eventually spikes up. You cool down, you will not be at even if you're at loss, you'll be at least minimum of, if you're at loss, at most you'll be at loss of $2, which is not even up to, because I'm going to be using a proper risk management. I will show you how to do that. So you'll be at loss of at least $2, you see, hoping for it, highest it will go, it will spike again a bit up, and definitely it's going to spike down because we are having the price below the 200 moving averages. So you understand, that's how it works. So always follow the instructions given. So let's see the market, the live sections of the market. Okay, now still below the 200 moving average. So at this point, this is our major zone. This is the reason why I advise to use 15-minute time frame. Let's go to other time frame so you know the reason why. Let's go to other time frame. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. You see, you don't, okay, in 5-minute time frame you get the range too at 5 minutes time frame, but most of the times you don't get the actual range at 5 minutes time frame. But at this place we got the range, which is good. Let me take you down to 1-minute time frame. You see the market at zigzag position. You see, you don't understand what the market is doing, but perfect time to trade this 15-minute time frame. You zoom up, you zoom in a little bit, get the range of the market. Okay, now here is a good time to take a trade. So let's go with, I'm having $100+, so I'll go with one. I sell one lot size. I've sold. I have assurance that it's going to come down to the This is a live section of the market, so it's not going to exceed this range which I've given you. It's not going to exceed that range. It's not going to exceed this range and this range. So long as the market still consolidate around that region, I'm going to exceed this range and this range. So those are the two major range. So I don't trade most of the market. I don't take most sections of the market. I only take 3 to 4 sections of the market, and I make roughly $10 every day. And I'm okay with it. I'm not greedy. The market is big. When you try to be greedy, you end up wiping up your account. But when you follow instructions and do as you're told, you make decent amount. You're in $3 already. So when it gets to half of the market around here, I will sell off, and I'm okay. I wait for another opportunity to come my way, then I take the market. So that is how it goes. Is there any other thing I would have to explain? As I likely said, ignore this here. I'll soon give you the strategy I'm testing with that. This is only what you need: the ADS and the 200 moving averages. Yeah, I did not explain how the ADS works. If the price is below the 200 moving average, below 200 moving average and ADX is pointing upward, you know that the trend downward is strong. But if ADS is pointing downward, avoid the trade. Like at this place, I'm not going to trade here because ADS is pointing downward at here. So I wait when the ADS is pointing upward. This is I start taking my position. At this place, I will not take. As it's pointing upward here, I took my position, and criteria here is at the upside, and my 200 moving average is below. So all my conditions are met. So we have 3 confirmation. The 200 MA, ADX pointing upward, and you have a range. For like 1 hour, ranging at the same position. A range of 1 hour, ranging at the same position. 1 hour. That is when you take your trade. You wait for first candle, second candle. First candle is 15 minutes, second candle is 30 minutes. Another first candle 15, another second candle 30. Joining it together gives you 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Then you start taking your position. So I'm explaining, and the market has almost gone half, and I'm still explaining, but it's nothing. I can still recover. See how strong the strategy is. You feel free. You're not scared of spike getting you. See, I'm in $12 already. Let me make it 15. I'm trying to be greedy here. I'm ready. Yeah. 18. Let me make it 20. This is how greed works. I've made 15 already, so greed is making me to avoid greed. Greed is not good. It's not 17, 18, 19. It's back to 18. It's back to 18. 200 MA. ADX pointing upward. ADS pointing up. 23. Wow. 200 moving average. ADS pointing upward, and what again? Then ranging for 1 hour. Range 1 hour. That is the strategy. Range for 1 hour. Then you are good to go. It's back to 16. It's back to 18, and it's back to 18, 15. Yeah. So that's how it works. That's how it works. You can see. As you can see, that's how it works. 24. See it all? Let me close. Okay. Oh, 30. It's going to 30. It's going to 30. Wow, 30. ADX 200 moving average. Then put for 1 hour range. 1 hour range gives you this whoopee amount of wow. This was not part of it, bro. This was not part of it. Wow. This was not part of it, but be it as it may, this was not part of it. Show you how strong it is. This was not part of it. This was not part of it at all. I don't know. It was not part of it. What the hell? Jesus, I really am really happy that this happened. To show you how strong the strategy is. I just believe when I tell you I'm the master, and you people think I don't know what I'm saying. This is 3, 4, $8. $3 for $8. Wow. 3 for $8. 3 for $8 with what indicator? Have your ADX, so you don't forget. 200 moving average. 200 moving average. Then 1 hour. 1 hour ranging gives you this whoopee amount of money. Live section of the market. Nobody does this live section of the market. Wow. I'm so happy this happened. Anyway, yeah, that is we remain. I'm not surprised. This is 370. I will close at $376. Is okay. $376. Let me calculate it in naira. I know how much I've made. Does this night with my calculator. 376 times naira is around 400 now. Wow. 150,000 naira. Wow. 150,000 naira. 150,000 naira is what I've made. 150,000 naira. 150,000 naira. That's a huge amount of money in Nigerian currency. Wow, I'm so happy. Yeah, it's just a little fraction of what we make. Not a little fraction of what we make. Asking me the strategy. Okay, no problem. So that's the end. So keep tuned, and we are going to post more content.